Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me.
Welcome back. So today I'm here with another colorful tutorial. Yes, I'm gonna be doing a colorful eye look. The focus is gonna be on the eyes once more. I saw that in my previous eye tutorial video. You guys really love that, and I appreciate all the love that I've been getting. I asked you guys to suggest a couple colors that you'd like to see me, play around with, and you guys did suggest them. So the color I'm going to be working with today is blue. I haven't really planned out what I'm going to be doing, but we're gonna get started right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and base my eyelids with my Sistar concealer. Just really blend this out. As you guys know, this really helps with just helping the shadows, whatever colors I apply, to just pop more, be more vibrant, help with longevity. So for my transition color today, I want to really play around with it and make it like two colors. So I'm gonna go into my Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm gonna go in, which you guys know the Take Me to Brazil palette. I'm gonna go in with this orange and just dab that on the inner portion of my transition area. For the other half of my transition, I want to go in with like a royal blue-ish. So I'm kind of patting and swiping at the same time to get the most or the best color payoff from the colors. Because sometimes I realize that sometimes when I wipe it or do the windshield wiper motion excessively, kind of takes away some of the pigmentation, and I don't want to lose the intensity of the color. So kind of pat and swipe. Quite different from what I would usually do, so I'm loving it. I'm gonna go in with a cut crease because, yeah, cut crease makes everything a little bit more dramatic, and dramatic is what we want. All right. I want to go in with this really light color, like this is like a really light blue. I'm gonna go in with this on the inner portion, just pat it on. I'm gonna go in with a blue that's a little deeper. So I'm gonna go into a white eyeshadow, or like light nude rather, from my Royal Beauty Cosmetics palette. You can barely see it. This is the shade I'm gonna go in with in that area I left open, and I'm gonna blend it with the blue. So I'm going to carefully place this. So now that I've added that color, I'm gonna move on to doing a really dark blue. So I'm gonna go back into my Take Me to Brazil. I'm taking this really dark blue, it's like navy blue. I'm just using this angle brush at the very edge of the crease, the cut crease, to make it really neat and not be outside of the line. Right now, I'm gonna take another JDGlow Cosmetics liquid gel liner in neon blue. And this today I'm gonna use for my wing liner. At the very end there, I'm gonna do a double line. As you can see, I went ahead, did my face makeup, came back, and now I'm gonna focus on the lower portion of my eyes. So I'm going to line my lower waterline with black. At the beginning of doing this look, I really thought that I would have to incorporate brown or black, and I'm really happy that I didn't have to. As you guys saw, it was all colors. I wanted to just break up things a bit. As you guys saw in the beginning, I applied the orange eyeshadow. So yeah, for the transition area. Now I'm just going to move on to the bottom portion, and I'm gonna apply like this blue to the lower lash line. So I feel like I really want to put something on the inner portion, and I'm leaning towards some glitter, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. And all I'm gonna do is pretty much just spray my brush, setting spray, and I'm just tapping it, dragging it along the portion closer to the tear duct at the lower lash line. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply mascara to both the upper and lower lashes. Right now, since this look is so dramatic and there's a lot going on in the eyes, I'm definitely going to do just gloss for the lips. So usually if there's any like product on the lips, I just take a wet wipe and I wipe that away. I'm not gonna line the lips or anything, I'm just going to do bare gloss. That's pretty much it for this look. If you notice, the orange, I kind of toned it down a bit. It was a little bit too distracting in my opinion. Really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Also, if you're not subscribed, why? But no, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and do so now, because I do upload very frequently, very frequently. And I also do have a vlog channel, so if it is that you want to see more of me, you want to get to know me a little bit better, I have a vlog channel. It's PETITE-SUE TV. The link is in the description as well, so check that out. Also, if you guys are wondering, I recently did a video with this wig. Yes, it's a wig. I feel like this is the most natural wig ever. Yes, it's from RPG here, and it's just very believable. I really love it. If you want to see all the details on that, the link to that is in the description box. That's all for now, and I'll see you in my next video. So until then, bye!